Hello, this is Ken Pendergrass with AG Quick Launch, and in this video I'm going to show you something that I like to call the social post. And to do this correctly, you need to have a little background on what your website is and how it's created. But pretty much here's what we're going to do. Using social post on your website, on your WordPress website, on a page that you've created, you will notice something that looks like this. And this is what this is all about. This is how you share your content across the web on all your social networks. But you first have to understand a little bit how this works. So your website is created in two parts. It is on two servers. The first part being your WordPress website that is on your domain name, your www.yourdomainname.com, and we've installed this contact management system, which is WordPress. And so this is on your server, and this is how you manage everything you do. You make your posts, your pages, etc. Whatever you make on your WordPress website that you create, you will find this cool little button, the share button. Okay? And where that button will not show up, is on your IDX pages, your IDX feed, the pages that the IDX has created for you, or that you've created in IDX. And so your IDX is over here underneath Optima Express. And if you go to Control Panel, do something like this, you click here. And so now when you're in here, this is your IDX feed. This is how you control your IDX feed. And this is what you create your save pages, your save searches. You set up your listing settings on how you want them to look on your website, your lead capture, how many times people do a search, before a pop-up comes, your email settings, etc. Everything's done on this IDX server, and it feeds to your WordPress website. Okay, so you can create whatever you want over here and feed it into your website. So like this right here is a feed. Your featured homes are a feed. This is a feed, but we've implanted it inside a WordPress website, or web page, excuse me. And then you get this share button. And so whatever you want to share something out on your network, this is you need one more part, and that is, bring it over here, Onlywire. So we've created an Onlywire account for you and a Gmail account that opens up this Onlywire account. And I'll explain why we did that in another video. But right now you have your basics set up. This is a free account that you can paste to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn. If you upgrade, which I sincerely hope you do, you'll get another 50 social profiles that you'll be able to put your properties across. And I'm going to show you how you can do that real quick. So back on your WordPress website, you will see something here underneath settings, and then the Onlywire settings. Okay, and that is where we connect our Onlywire into your WordPress website. So now, and we put in our settings, and they're hooked up to one another. So whatever you create here, you can save on here. Excuse me. So if you want to create a page or a post about a community that you want to talk about, or a message that you want to talk about, you create it here. And what will happen is, when you create the page, so we created this buyer's page and we want to share it with all our network. This could be a property page that we've created. I'll show you here in a second. So all you got to do is come down here and hit share. And then it says share all the networks at once. You say yes. So right now, this is a test one that I have, another account. So this is going to post to 23 accounts. You can type whatever you want. Check out Something like that. Okay, and you change your images, so that's what it's going to look like, and then you hit share. Boom. You just posted your info across 23 social networks, just like that. And that's how simple that is. But again, this can only show up on pages that you create inside WordPress. So if we go to a property page here, come on, you'll notice that there is no cool share button, because that is on the IDX server. Remember, this is 2 servers. All your pages that you create are actually here, are feeding into your WordPress website. And so you can't, this Onlywire won't work with it because it's not on the WordPress website. I hope I explained that well enough for you. And I'll make you another video going over, we'll have another video series on the back end of the IDX, but that is how you set up your, or how you have the ability to share properties or pages that you've created easy inside your WordPress website. And so you have your Onlywire account. I'm sending this to you. You going back here, add your login information, activate it, and then now it's going to be hooked up. This thing will be able to post to Facebook, to your Twitter, your Google+, your LinkedIn. And I have some cool tricks on showing you how to get these 50 profiles and the RSS feeds. Those are going to be cool for you. How you can get that set up pretty quickly, and you won't have to do it manually, which is kind of tedious. Okay, I hope that helps, and talk to you soon.